Okay, see this mess? It's supposed to look like that. Trellis, as you can see, because of rot and rain, it fell. That one is the last one standing correctly by itself. This one's about ready to come down, and that one's bolted onto the side of the house. This was connected cross beam. It is a 3x8, and it was connected when I came in. It was lodged here. That's where it was stuck, and lodged over there. So this one broke off, but these I had to grind, as you can see. So I took my grinder and ground those that were attached by this nice clip. And this clip is awesome. This clip can hold on in really nasty winds, I guess. It's a really well-engineered thing, these clips. So always put your clips in. You can see they're nailed with 4 nails, and then they screwed them in here with 4 screws. And it was quicker to grind them than it was to try to deal with unlodging them, the screws and the nails on the clips. So after I cut all these, and I knew that this was lodged well enough that it wouldn't fall and hit my foot, I came over here with the sledgehammer and just did a gentle little pop, and it fell straight down. Didn't harm anything, didn't break any glass. You always look for the best way for something to fall. So, as you can see, now I'll have to grind those clips. Take the rest of these down so that the people inside can get out. The person inside, one of them is in a wheelchair, and this was the only access that was easy for them. The back is quite complicated for them. So here we go. I will talk to you guys later. And whenever you're working on a fallen constructed object, you always have to know what you're doing. Like, I've been a union carpenter in the DC, Virginia, Maryland area for years. Actually worked a lot of non-union government jobs up there, and one union job. And you always have to be careful not to hurt the things around you, the people most of all, the objects, and even the plants. Yes, this is my flowering garden house. Okay, talk to you later.